Ready? Exercise number 13. To our relief, they came early. We are leaving today and we should reach Winnipeg in a day or two. Who will be going to see the Army and Navy game? If we wish to get to the game early, we should be ready in an hour. Ask Jake for a rug. Ray and Ruth are reading the book The Arm of the Law. We wrote to them asking them to rush the job, and they say they will have it ready in a month. We may be wrong, and if we are, we shall readily give him our apology. The check was put in an airmail envelope and it should reach them today.